a little vacation, visiting my daughter in sunny Florida. It is back to reality. It is wintertime in Middle Tennessee. Almost, but it's certainly going to feel like it as we go through the next several days when these temperatures make a big drop. Well, without further ado, let's get right to it and show you what we're expecting. These are going to be our weather impacts that we're going to see happening as we move through the next several days. So let's check that out. Rain showers moving in tonight. We have got much colder air coming in for Wednesday. So we've got the rain coming in tonight, continuing through Tuesday, and then much colder air on Wednesday with a little bit of snow for some folks early on Wednesday. It's going to stay chilly through Thursday. Friday, we've got more clouds coming back, and then we're looking at rain developing again for Saturday. Here's the setup tonight, though. The clouds are starting to move back in. We've got some areas of fog. I'll show you that in just a few moments. And then we pull out a little bit, and we see here the next weather maker getting organized there. That's going to bring some showers late tonight. But in the meantime, we've had some fog developing, especially off to the east. The yellow represents where we've got 1 mile visibility, and the orange is a ½ mile visibility. You see that some of those areas over to the east, right around Crossville. And look at McMinnville. You have got 1/4 mile visibility. So not so great there at all. A dense fog advisory has been issued through 6 a.m. in the morning, and you can see that does include Livingston, Cookeville, Sparta, McMinnville, all included in that advisory for tonight. Looking outside right now, it's clouds that we're seeing here in Nashville and a very mild 57 degrees. We had 66 degrees for our afternoon high today. A north-northeast wind at 8 miles per hour. For your day coming up, let's look at it this way. Now, it's already showing a little bit of rain to the east. It's jumping the gun a little bit. The rain's really going to come in overnight tonight. You can see this around 2 o'clock in the morning. And then we'll look for more of that to continue as we go through the morning for a wet commute, and then a little bit of a break in the afternoon, but more showers return. And then note the temperatures dropping. Here comes that snow we've been talking about. Late night into the early morning hours on Wednesday. Not everybody's going to get it, but we are going to see some of these higher elevations, to the east pick up maybe a dusting to 1/4 inch, and I'll show you that in just a few moments. And then we make our way into Wednesday during the day, and it's just going to be a cold one. Look at that, 42 degrees around lunchtime. Not fun at all. Our snowfall forecast, a dusting in spots there in the blue. So that's going to include you in southern Kentucky over to Gallatin, Cookeville, and Spencer. And the pink is where we've got a dusting to 3/4 inch, a possibility there. Winds, also an issue on Wednesday. This is 7 o'clock. These are the wind gusts. Notice how they continue to increase to near 30 miles an hour as we get into the afternoon. That's going to make it feel so much colder. It's going to feel like the 30s in the afternoon. Now let's look ahead to Saturday. And here we are looking at more rain. We have so much going on this weekend. Dickens of a Christmas, Spring Hill Christmas Parade, Leapers Forks Christmas Parade is going on. I mean, the list goes on and on. When it comes to Christmas parades, this is a big weekend for them, and you can see those showers that will be moving across the area on Saturday, continuing into the evening. And then also into Sunday morning, a little bit of that rain left before it moves on out of here. The breakdown of your forecast, we've got the clouds tonight, the rain coming in overnight. Temperatures will be in the 50s. And then for tomorrow morning, headed out the door, you'll want to take the umbrella with you. We've got some showers across the area, but notice the temperatures remain really mild in the 50s. Our first alert forecast for the next 7 days. Spotty showers for you on Tuesday, 59 the high. The red indicating a first alert weather day for you Wednesday, with just a few snow flurries expected. 42 degrees for that afternoon high. It'll feel like the 30s. That 35 on Wednesday, it's going to feel like the 20s. And we really will be in the 20s on Thursday for the morning low. 46 in the afternoon. 20s again on Friday, a high in the 50s. And we've got showers for Saturday and Sunday, afternoon highs in the 50s. 58 degrees coming up and some sunshine on Monday of next week. And that is a look at your forecast for the next 7 days. Thank you so much for joining me. Now we are looking to have, of course, what was I going to say? Someone walked in the door just a second ago, kind of startled me, but we are looking forward to having you join us tonight for an update tonight on 10 o'clock on our WSMV 4 10 o'clock news. And with that, you can get that streaming. You can get it on our app as well. Thank you to everybody who's joining me live on my Facebook page right now or my YouTube channel as I'm simulcasting this on both of those. We're glad to have you. And we will kind of wrap this up with one more look at our 7-day forecast. And I invite you to join me on social media. You can check me out with my handle on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter or X. Hard to change, isn't it? Even after this long a period of time, I have a hard time getting that out. But that's Lisa Spencer, WSMV. And on YouTube, I am youtube.com/c/Lisa Spencer. Have a fantastic night, and we will get together again real soon.